If you are tired of stretching out the neck of your shirts when you take them on and off hangers, I am right there with you. So I got pretty excited when Hanger Revolution sent me their truly revolutionary hanger design. Now this folds all the way down so you can easily hang a shirt with it, and then it straightens right out and then is basically just a normal hanger until you're ready to take your shirt off, and then you can fold it back down to take your shirt back off. So clean, so cool. Now let me show you how easy this works. I've only done it a few times and I know I'll get better with practice, but you really do just put it in and straighten it out and your shirt is on the hanger. And then the hanger can spin and you can pull on the shirt. It's not going anywhere. The hanger is not folding at all. But when you're ready to wear the shirt, all you do is flip it and the shirt comes right off. No stretching out the collar, no frustration taking it on or off the hanger, just really nice and easy to use. Now here it is close up. It's a pretty wild design. It is ABS plastic, and on one side it's actually open to the elements, and they did that so it would stay really light but still have the strength it needs, so it's not brittle like so many hangers can be. It's really quite sturdy. And on the ends you can see that it does have grooves to help hold shirts in place, and that is wonderful as it will hold on to larger collared shirts, no issue. And the hook is really clean as well. It acts as the center of the joint. You can see that right there, where it opens and closes. So stop wasting time being frustrated with hanging your clothing and stretching out your collars and get yourself some of these Hanger Revolution hangers.